Hey, what's up, guys? Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Even if you are new, thank you for clicking on my video. Welcome. In this video, me and my son went for a drive in search of flooded areas around the Tulare County. I've got a little surprise for you guys almost near the end of the video. I'm not really much of a talker, so I will let you just watch the video and enjoy the music. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video and enjoy it. Thank you.
The blood of the Lamb. I lay down my Dreams stripped down beyond firelight, I would go over, but my only cold soft white, and seeing things unreal. God knows what that stain and what comes crawling back again. Tears are harbored down to the thorny altar. I'm afraid I might fade away. It's to the blood we sing and burn, 1,000 blackbirds on a string return. Where's the solitary sun to hide? Gone without the chosen one, goodbye. Ashes scatter, burning Jacob's ladder. I'm afraid I might fade away. Blood we sing and burn, 1,000 blackbirds on a string return. Where's the solitary sun to light? Gone without the chosen one, goodbye. It's to the blood we sing and burn, 1,000 blackbirds on a string return. Where's the solitary sun to light? Gone without the chosen one, did I die? Rage untethered, the soul of stony desert. I'm afraid I might fade away. Dreams stripped down beyond firelight, I would go over, but my only cold soft white, and seeing things unreal. God knows what that stain, what comes crawling back again. Ashes scattered, burning Jacob's ladder. I'm afraid I might fade away.
Well, I had to go rescue my damn drone. It fell in the damn water when I was recording the flood, so I gotta let it air dry. My son's driving while I let the damn drone dry. I had to go inside the water. I'm all barefooted and wet. Damn it. Oh well. Just gonna have to let it air dry and see if the drone is gonna still work after it's fully dried, and then I'll be able to make more videos after this. We're still continuing on our road trip. Well, sometimes in life we learn lessons the hard way. Drying it out of the car window didn't work, so now I had to send it in to get it repaired. This will be about the 5th time I've had to do this. So it will be at least 2 weeks before I receive my drum back. Till then, you can watch my old videos. In the meantime, I will be posting updates on the repair statuses. Thanks everyone for sticking by. I'll see you soon.
Clean and spotless.